Hello ka-Infinity, it's Jassel Chain and welcome to my channel. Buen dia, buenos dias, Paquito Diaz, Gloria Diaz, Joko Diaz, and all the Diaz out there. I'm here in Huatulco, Mexico. As you can see, it's quite a long pier. This is a little town and I was just gonna walk around instead of excursions. When you first enter the terminal, there was a marine port security to check your stuff, especially the canine dog to detect illegal substance. Before going inside, first I took a photo. It was the best angle I could do and very beautiful background. If you come to Huatulco and you just want to see what the port looked like, I'm gonna show you. Let's go. It was my first time visiting at Huatulco, Mexico. It was quite hot and humid. Unlike Puerto Vallarta or Ensenada, Huatulco has a more authentic Mexican vibe. Santa Cruz is the port area where cruise ships dock right next to a beach and a small marina. The best time to visit Huatulco is around December to April. It's very good weather. I walk slowly and browse a few of the shops looking for souvenir and magnet as always. Huatulco's port area has the typical jewelry and souvenir shops, but also has a peaceful open-air church building. I continued to walk down the street. It was a very busy day because of the Mexican school event. Sometimes it's nice to go back to childhood. Masaya lang, walang iniisip, at walang obligasyon sa buhay. Ngayon kasi lahat ng gagawin mo, all of your actions, lahat ay pinag-iisipan. If you want to experience the best things to do in the city, book for a tour or go for excursions on the other side of the pier. This is one of the other shops to buy and find a souvenir. I bought a magnet as always. Huatulco, for its art and handicrafts, and filled with wonderful traditional Mexican souvenirs, bags, shoes, ceramics, jewelry, and purses. We've done exploring the area, so we went to the beach. On my right side is the Marina Mall, and to the left side is the Long Beach. This was the view of the ship from the beach near the end of the pier. Again, I did a photo shoot. Before I go back to the ship, I stayed on the beach for a few minutes. It was very relaxing. The water was so warm and clear. The beach area has several restaurants that offer or rent beach loungers with full service lunch and drink service. Once you find a restaurant, try to negotiate the actual price to the lower price for the umbrellas and loungers if you will stay for hours and buy drinks and lunch. This time I was with Indonesian crew and friends, because safety was always being my first priority. As a crew member, we got a chance to take shore leave and enjoyed our free time. At work, crew and friends are generally from all over the world. This little cutie patuti was enjoying her own company. Parang ako minsan, ay palagi pala. We ordered tacos and the food was so filling. Travelers like me wanting Mexican food, this is a great option. Huatulco is in the state of Oaxaca on the Pacific coast, a hidden paradise home to the most pristine and secluded beaches in all of Mexico. Huatulco is a great destination and perfect time getaway for families and friends. Oaxaca is known for its authentic Mexican food. I love the food and the culture. Mexico is blessed with so many natural resources. One of the prettiest towns and ports I have ever seen. Hoping for tips, a group of local singers was waiting to greet guests as they debarked. They smiled for the camera while playing the band soon after I walked by. So that was very quick, short and sweet, short-lived Ka-Infinity. I had fun today even though I didn't swim. I hope next time we stay here longer and we can do everything what we want to do here. Kung gusto nyo ng travel food, trend, or if you love exploring the world as much as I do, make sure to subscribe, comment, share it with one of your travel buddy friends, and hit the notification bell icon for next video. See you Ka-Infinity. Thank you for watching. Bye!